Ever felt like you're running a marathon with those never-ending videos? Let's turn that marathon into a fun sprint. Introducing the magic of AI video editing. No more sifting through hours of footage looking for viral hooks. AI does that for you in a snap. Long videos can be a snooze fest, but what if you could capture just the juicy parts? You'll discover what AI video software scans your content, finding those golden nuggets automatically. No more manual editing. Join Dina Colada for a free 90-minute presentation to effortlessly transform long-form videos into engaging short-form content with AI power. All the info, none of the fluff. Short videos mean more likes, more shares, and yes, more fun. Ready to cast your own video shorts magic? Click the link in the comments and let AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on being awesome. Join Dina and the free video training with real AI dynamics on Thursday, August 15th, 2024. Online, 11 a.m. PST, 12:30 p.m. PST, 8 p.m., 9:30 p.m. CET, 2 o'clock p.m., 3:30 p.m. EST.